about hyped up in media?
Yeah, I think they hyped up. I don't know why it's such a big deal for two characters to kiss in a film where they're supposed to be in love. It's we've all had intimate moments with our loved ones in personal lives, and that's what we're trying to portray. And it's all up to the director. Contrary to what people think that actors come up with this, कि नहीं यार kissing scene करते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. It's all according to the director. And there was a need in the film, and as you see it in the promo. So yeah, there was no such. It was very professional. Everybody works professionally. So today, I don't think so. Any of us have any kind of awkward moment when we have to kiss on screen.
Even while in Conflict Karan, Arya and Pallavi said your body, you have been given that tag as hot. How do you take that tag as?
Oh, they're just being nice and sweet. It's a good tag. It's a cool tag. I work with both of them. I think you feel excited that they think that. I think they take my name first in that list. Yeah, so then see, that's good PR on my side and keeping them happy and keeping them excited. But yeah, it feels great. I think that you're desirable. Everybody wants to be, and hopefully it stays. I think staying up there in that list is tough rather than making it.
Some very good questions today, I must say. Two last questions that I'm going to ask before we wrap up. Right, Siddharth, a tweet of yours, right? You quoted somebody about how people like to stay with themselves because rather than hang out with stupid people. Yes? Are you a bit of a loner, and does that help you with this intensity that you portray on screen?
Yeah, I do like to do stuff on my own at times. I like my space, even from my friends at times or my family. That's the way I am. So I don't know if that translated intensity, but that's something I've been told also. So hopefully it's a positive, not a negative. Sometimes it becomes you look like you're antisocial or you like to do your own stuff. But I think that's me, and I'm not apologetic about it. So let's hopefully should translate into some very good intense kind of shots in villain.
And finally, why is your girlfriend a bigger secret than Rahul Gandhi's girlfriend?
Oh, really? Is he? Who's Rahul Gandhi? No, as I said, I think it's personal life is personal life. I could be meeting 10 different kind of people in my personal life. That should not matter. What I do in front of the camera is all for you to see and criticize or appreciate. But my personal life is mine, so I like to keep it that way. It's simple. I don't come to your office and start discussing what you're eating and who you're meeting. So it's my office. Office stays office, and my home stays home.
Okay, so right now, since you're in the dock, who are you dating right now?
As I said, I've been working and not even getting time to work out. So why is the time to date?
Right. So we
will
leave it.
Freebies are mostly like when you see you're trying to take picture of yourself. ऐसा लगता है we are very favorite of ourselves. Like, how much you believe in this particular?
In selfies?
Anything. Selfie में जाता है.
Our selfie is embarrassing because you're like taking pictures.
How do you often take this way, or it was just for us?
I think what he's trying to say is how vain are you? Because selfies
Acha, okay. Well, you're asking an actor, so I mean, we all love us first. I think it's a prerequisite for our job. You need to take care of yourself. You need to really like yourself to be. And I think, I'm no different. We all like seeing ourselves in the mirror. It's our job also. And selfies are great fun. You can really give it to your. You can express a lot in a selfie. I think there's nobody else clicking or posing for you, and you're clicking yourself and you're posing it for yourself. I think it's a fun new thing, all thanks to the Apple and phone. So it's fun. It's exciting for us.
Great. Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you guys.
Thank you for coming. Thank you from the entire Men's Health team. We are
Thank
all
you.
very